Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sharan Hiramad. This is my channel where we discuss about the NIFTY index, and we also look for trading opportunities for tomorrow, that is on 29th of March 2022. Now, how do we go about this is we look at a larger time frame, that is basically we look at 1 day time frame, try to understand the price over there and mark a few zones based on that and take a decision for tomorrow. Now let's get straight away into the action without wasting any time. Alright, so if you see at this particular chart of Nifty, we can see that the price is consolidating in a very sideways manner from pretty good amount of days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days say we are seeing that the price is consolidating. Now having said that, we are going to mark the levels. Let's straight away take into horizontal lines. We're going to mark this level. Now this is important for us because this was a gap that was covered, plus you also see that there is a support that was created on 22nd March and today on 28th March, right? Having said that, we'll also mark an important level on the top side, which I feel that is going to act as a resistance for us in the coming days. Now let's go into a smaller time frame and let's look at thing. I'm going to put it in 4 hours chart. Now in 4 hours chart, what I can see here is that there is a kind of support that is being created here, right? So I'm going to mark that levels as well. Let's mark it as Alt H, right? Let's take this here, right? This is an important level for us. Now please remember, we'll mark the levels first and then we'll mark certain zones, and based on those zones we will take a trading action plan. All right. Now in the 4 hours chart also, if I see here, this is the kind of resistance kind of a selling pressure over here. So this should also be an important level for me to come to look at, that is at 17,300. Now having said that, we'll go into a smaller time frame into 60 minutes and see if there is any more opportunities. Now if we see here, I'm going to mark this as a zone for us, right? This is going to be a support level for us, or I'm going to call it as a demand zone. Right, I'm going to mark it in a different color so that it becomes easy. Say, let's say I'm going to put it in green color. That should act as a support level or demand region for tomorrow. If the price comes here, we will take an action based on the price. Now I'm going to mark this, write this as demand zone. Right. All right. Now this is a demand zone that we have marked. The second level where I can see something which I can see here is this particular action here, right? I'm going to mark this also here very importantly. This is going to be a area of resistance for me for tomorrow, right? So I'm going to mark this with red color in nature so that it becomes our target area. Now having said that, is there any other levels I can look forward to? The other levels would be this far away. So we'll see if it comes tomorrow to this level, we might consider this as a resistance level. Now we have 3 levels that we have marked. One is demand zone, resistance and resistance. I'm going to mark it as, say, resistance here, right? Hopefully. Yeah. Right. So this is our resistance. Now we have marked so many things. Now we'll go into a smaller time frame to even mark at the lowest level so that we get a trade action. Let's take, I'm going to mark this and I'm going to go into 15 minutes of chart, right? Now please remember that the last 1 hour, right, from 2 o'clock to 3:30, we had seen that the price was actually consolidating in this particular zone. So I'm going to consider this zone also as a very important zone for me for tomorrow, which I'm going to mark it in, say, probably yellow color, right? I will put it in yellow. So this becomes an important zone for me. Now, how do we go about trading this? First of all, there is one more thing that I can see here. One is this particular, yeah, this is a trend line that was broken today, right? So we are seeing that this particular trend line is happening from 23rd March till today on 28th March, and finally we saw that the price was broken. Now there are 3 or 4 setups that I can see when I have marked these zones. First of all, trade number 1. All right, trade number 1 is that if tomorrow the price opens in this zone, right? If the price opens in this zone, we will not take any action. We will wait for the prices to either break this level or break this level. So if the prices breaks about 17,233, we will be looking forward to achieving our first target of 17,300 plus points, right? So this will be a target number 1 and trade number 1 for us. Now if suppose the price opens here and starts falling down, we will not take an action till it comes into this zone, right? We will not take any action based on this particular zone. Why? Because if you see here, there is a lot of support being created. So there is a very high chance that the price might not even touch this. If it touches here, great, we will look forward to buying. If it doesn't, then we will not take any trade here. So that becomes 2. If the price comes into this zone, again creates a kind of demand zone for us, right? If the price is making some kind of price action, maybe a double bottom or a higher top, higher bottom, that indicates that the price is likely to go up or the buyers are interested, and we will look forward to take a trade. That is trade number 3 for us. Now, what is trade number 4? If suppose the price opens above this and crosses this level, this is the ultimate trade level that we will be looking at. That will become our trade number 4. So there are 4 trading opportunities based on the current price action. If there is anything else apart from this, we will try and avoid it. As I mentioned, if there is anything other than this, we will look forward to avoid it. So very simple. If the price opens without a gap up or a gap down, we will wait here. If the price breaks above this, we look forward for trade number 1. If it breaks this down level, we'll slightly look for a smaller target for till this level. If by chance the price comes into this zone, we will look forward to buying it again for a target of 17,160. If the price opens above our resistance, we will look forward to see if it goes back to this level. If it does not go and comes and takes a support here, we will try and avoid it. Other than this, if there is any uneven kind of a gap up or a gap down which it opens here or here, we will wait. We will not take an immediate action. We will wait for the price action, see how it is reacting, and then only take a decision. Otherwise, we have a good setup for tomorrow. All right. Having said that, I will close this video. Please do watch it and please do circulate amongst your friends, family, and hopefully this should help you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and it would be really helpful to me and makes a lot of motivational thing for me as well. Please do support. Thank you so much. If you have any queries on any particular stocks or any index, Bank Nifty as well, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to make a video on that. Having said that, let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.